Hello guys, my name is Ayman Mubashir. Today I'm making a scratch tutorial and this is my very third video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel as it really supports me a lot. So today we will make a game where you have to jump and some obstacles will come and you have to dodge them. So to do it, first of all, we will delete sprite 1, press this delete. Now we will choose a sprite right here. You can choose any sprite available right here. I will just choose the frog. So to do it, I will click on this bar, type FROG. As you can see, there are two frogs here. Out of this, we will choose this one. Now, let's go to costumes. And we will click this red thing and press backspace. As you can see, it's deleted and we will position it here somewhere about here. Now we'll choose a backdrop or a new backdrop. So to do it, we will click this thing right here. Now you can choose any backdrop you want. So let's see what we can choose. Ooh, the space city looks nice to me. You can choose any other if you want. It's your wish. So let's click it. Now let's start coding the frog. So to do it, we'll go to events and drag when the space key is pressed. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see it. Now we will drag a repeat 10 times and repeat 10 both. Now in the first one we will drag change y by positive 10 and in another one we will drag change y by negative 10, just like so. Let's see. Press the space key. Wow, so nice, right guys? Now we will use an obstacle that will come. So to do it, we'll choose another sprite. You can choose anything you want, but I will choose a donut. To do it, we will search DONUT. Here it is, donut. As you can see, it's too big for us, so we will change the size to something like 80. No, still too big, something like 60. Maybe a little bit too big, 50. Yes, this one is perfect. And I will select this entire thing right here. Now we will make this small. And let's click it. Let's click this again. And yeah, just like so. Just so. Yes, right here. Now let's code for the donut sprite. To do it, we will use the move 10 steps from the motion category. If I just click it, yeah, you can see it goes on here. But today we will not do this. Instead, we'll go somewhere above, right about here. You can see. Now we'll delete this. Now we will choose the go to XY, put it right here. Now we will drag a forever block right here. We can skip this part for now, we'll do it later. Now let's see. Ooh, what is this new block? I've actually never used it before. Let's see. It really doesn't seem to work. So I will make this work. I will set this to somewhere here. To do it, grab a move 10 steps, right, negative 10. Now we'll just put this in a forever and click this. As you can see, it went here. Now we will stop this. Now we will glide to this thing, which is negative 229 and negative 97. Correct. Let's see. Now these two things really don't work. To make it work, we will drag when the flag is clicked. Let's see. Yes, pretty nice, right? But as you can see, it goes kinda super fast. So I will just set the signs to something, the seconds to something like 2.5. Let's see. Yes, this one is perfect for me. And it just works for one time. As you can see, if it touches the edge, our game is over. So we don't really want that to happen. To do that, we'll grab a forever block and put it right here. Let's see. Wow, so smooth. Goes back here, goes back here. So smooth, right guys? Now we want that if the player goes up, we want a sound. So to do that, let's go to the frogs sprite, obviously. Then we will choose the sounds. Let's see what sound we have. Pretty lame, right? So we'll delete this thing and make another, choose another sound right here. And I will choose the what frogs make, crow. CROCO right here. Click this. That was just some few tests, okay? So now when our space keys are pressed, we can just go to the sound and start the sound crow. Right here, let's see. Yes, pretty nice, right? Now we want that if our player is touching the donut sprite, then the game will stop. So to do that, we'll go to the donut sprite. Now we'll go to the controls category and grab a if then block right here. Then go to sensing and grab a touching mouse pointer. Instead of mouse pointer, we will do the frog sprite right here. Then we'll go to controls and then we'll stop everything which is happening to our game. We'll drag this and put this here. Now let's see. As you can see, nothing really happened because I forgot that it shouldn't be here. It should actually be in the frog sprite. Let's see. We can just delete this and this. Now let's go to the frog. Now when the flag is clicked, similar operation. Forever, then an if then block, go to sensing, drag a touch mouse pointer. Instead of mouse pointer, do donut. Then we will stop everything which is happening. Let's see. I won't touch it. As you can see, it stopped again. But now as you can see, there's a problem. The frog was a little below right here, but it just stuck here now. So to fix that, we will go somewhere a little lower, right about here. So here we will grab a go to XY and put this right here. As you can see, it will always go here. If I put this here on the very edge, it will always go back right here. Now, in case you guys just want a little bit of more an obstacle, I can do that, no problem. So to do it, we'll go to the donut sprite and we'll click the right side of our mouse. You can see three options: duplicate, export and delete. Out of these, we'll choose the duplicate, sorry. Now the codes will be similar, so let's try it out. As you can see, there is only one. As you can see, there is only one. The reason is that the other one is right here. Such a boring surprise. And I think I will change this thing a little bit. So like this. Then we will copy this thing right here. No, I will just make it a little more big. Yes, this will do. Now we will copy this entire thing. Now let's go to donut 2. We will delete this. Then we will paste this. As you can see, these are smaller and pretty good. Now the problem I've been saying to you all, this thing right here. So to fix that, we will grab a when the flag is clicked, I mean it is grabbed here, so we'll just grab a wait 1 second block. Yeah, it kind of fixed the problem. I think it actually didn't. It made the problem even worse. Yeah, pretty worse, I see. So we'll fix that. Let's go to donut 2. I will duplicate this thing to donut 2. Now we'll put this thing back. We'll set this here. Yeah, that's pretty nice, but it just sits here like it's a king or something. So to fix that, we'll go to loops and grab a hide. Put this here. Now we will grab a show right here. Let's see. Wow, pretty nice actually. And for the finishing touches of our game, I just want to set a little music. Let's see. Go to the sounds. We'll choose a calm sound. Let's go to the effects. Let's oh no, very bad. No, let's go to this. Yes, this classic piano music is good for me. So we'll click this and go to the codes. So when the flag is clicked, we will forever start the sound. Classic piano. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the stupid problem. So we'll fix that. We'll set this somewhere here. Hope this works. Yes, it goes on forever, just like so. Now you can see it's literally possible to avoid the donut sprite. So I will just make this a little bit more small until it's like this. Now we will hit the copy button. Let's go to donut 2. We will delete this image and now paste the new image. Yes, finally, at least we can dodge this, or dodging it is even harder, I guess. But that's okay if you just jump at the right moment. Now, for the last thing, I want to add a score. So to do that, we'll go to the frogs right here. Now go to the variable. We will click the right side of the mouse and delete my variable. Let's make another variable. Call this SCORE, score. Click OK. And now when the space key is pressed, we will change our score by 1. And when the flag is clicked, we'll set our score to 0. Just for a nice look, we will double click this thing and place this right above here. Now let's see the final results. Oh crap, it's very bad. Let's see. Bad again. Bad, very bad again. Let's try this again. More bad, better than ever. Oh, finally it's not bad anymore. Okay, so guys, basically that's it for. Oh, one more thing. Let's see, when the flag is clicked, it sets it back to 0. So guys, that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you haven't already. Goodbye.